If you've ever wanted to share files on Google Drive quickly and correctly, this video is going to walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you're sharing a document with a coworker, sending a folder to a client, or giving a teammate access to a project, Google Drive makes it easy once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with the Google account you want to use. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, because Google Drive works through your Google login. Once you're inside Google Drive, look for My Drive on the left side of the screen and click it. This is where your uploaded files and folders are stored. If the file you want to share is already in your drive, you're in the right place. If not, you can upload it first and then come back to this step. Now find the file or folder you want to share. You can click once to select a file, or if you want to share an entire folder, select the folder instead. This is one of the best things about Google Drive because you're not limited to sharing just one document at a time. You can also share folders to keep everything organized in one place. After selecting the file or folder, go to the top menu and click the Share button, or use the share icon if you see it. A sharing window will open. This is where you decide exactly who can access your file and what they can do with it. In the sharing box, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can add one person or several people depending on who needs access. Google Drive will let you send the same file to everyone at once, which makes collaboration much easier and much faster than sending attachments back and forth by email. Next, set the permission level. You'll usually see three main options: viewer, commenter, or editor. If you choose viewer, the person can only open and read the file. If you choose commenter, they can leave feedback without changing the content. And if you choose editor, they'll be able to make changes to the file itself. Always choose the permission that matches what you actually want them to do, because this helps protect your files and avoids accidental edits. If needed, you can also type a quick message before sending. This is helpful if you want to explain what the file is for or what the other person should do next. After that, click Send. Google Drive will share the file immediately with everyone you added. And that's really it. You've now learned how to share files on Google Drive in just a few easy steps. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of the fastest ways to collaborate, send documents, and manage shared work online. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.